Yo. 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 2001 Rav4. Somebody put a catback exhaust on this about 3 years ago, maybe 4. I've run into this with aftermarket exhaust so many times it's not even funny. For some reason it only lasts about 3 years. Had a really bad leak and I just stuffed a pipe in there and sent them on their way because there's already a big hole in the muffler. If you can see that, all the way around, even on the top. It's all the way through. This flange totally busted off because it's aftermarket galvanized steel junk. So people drive in the wintertime in Minnesota and this stuff does not last long at all. I mean, there's still a sticker on this thing. A lot of people that do exhaust work too, they put a lifetime guarantee on it, but apparently this guy that did this went out of business, so they can't take it back. Yeah, even right here, I just tried tack welding it and it just started blowing big holes in it because there's nothing left of the pipe. It's just amazing junk and it's really expensive. So they need exhaust for the thing, and I figured nuts on all the stores around here and all the people trying to sell this junk around here, I had them mail order a stainless steel exhaust, catback exhaust for this thing. And mail ordering this was actually less expensive than the crappy steel mufflers that people sell around here. So it should be nice, it should never rust. And for the price, you really can't beat it. Northeastern exhaust, stainless steel. And I don't know, I had them get this system off of eBay. It should be really nice, we'll see. Unboxing this thing, I don't know if this thing's stainless steel or not. It might be. It's got some silver paint on it for whatever reason, here and there. These pipes are definitely stainless. Little packaging dent, no big deal. They didn't give me any bolts either, so I'll have to rummage some of those up. Put a little penetrant on their bolts. These are supposed to be 14 millimeter. I don't know if they're going to be rusted off too bad or what. Oh yeah. Oh, not fun. Got a little seal leak here. A little leakage going on there. I might have to replace that seal someday. Yeah, that one's stripped out. No threads left on this one. I'm wearing safety glasses. I still got rust in my eye. I gotta go get the rare earth magnet out on my freaking eyeball. How to get rust out of eyeball. Step 1, never rub your eye. Step 2, break out rare earth magnet. Step 3, use eye. There's rust falling from the heavens. This was a 14 millimeter, but it's rusted so bad I had to pound a 13 on it. Truly amazing thing of wonder. It makes me wonder. Welcome to the wonderful world of the rust belt. There's that much thread left on the back of this. It was probably welded on like this one. And there's nothing left of that one either. I'll probably end up putting nuts on the back of them. I'm going to see if I can just pry this open without wrecking the half-usable flange. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The rust. The crusty, crusty rust. What's left of the nut? Get these hangers off and that should be it for this exhaust. Now I got to get whatever's left of that off. I could just use a chipping hammer. Wow, that's a lot of crap. But instead I got this fancy air nibbler looking thing. I'll use that instead. It's more fun that way. I'm gonna call that normal. They gave me some really nice gaskets, but no bolts, which is kind of strange. I could put exhaust putty on here too, but I think it's gonna seal up really nice. I don't really know what the deal is here because the other exhaust was all one piece and it did not have a flex section in it. So I'm not, they gave me a muffler clamp for this. They actually gave me two, so I got one too many. I could weld this, but I'm not going to. I'm just gonna set it up there for now until I get this muffler up there, and then when I get the muffler bolted onto this pipe, then I'll put that clamp on last. I'm gonna hit all these rubber holes with some lube just to make my life easier. And media guy, if you're watching, I'm not gonna say it. I'm just gonna do it. Wow, I think that's gonna fit real nice. Little gasket action here. I don't think that's gonna rattle. Bolted up real nice. For eBay stuff, I'm quite impressed. Sounds normal. Okay, bye.